What's the meaning of caution? Caution. Caution.
Caution. Caution. Caution is a noun that refers to the act of being careful or alert in order to avoid danger or mistakes. It implies the need for carefulness, wariness, and prudence as one faces a potential hazard. Acting with caution can help prevent accidents, injuries, or negative consequences that could arise from improper or hasty actions. Practicing caution involves being aware of one's surroundings, assessing risks and consequences, and taking appropriate measures to minimize or avoid them. Overall, caution encourages a thoughtful and vigilant approach to navigating the world around us.